Remove all parts and material from the box and check if there are any missing parts against the included checklist. Insert minifix cam into the board along the direction of the arrows. Insert minifix bolt onto board 1. Insert wood dowel onto board 3, board 4, and board 5. Insert minifix cam onto board 12. Insert minifix bolt onto board 10 and 11. Insert wood dowel onto all 4 board 6, board 10 and 11. Screw on the first hole and last third holes using M3.5 screw to install drawer slides into board 3, 4, and 5. Install on another side of board 5 also. Attach board 6 to board 3, 4, and 5. Attach board 1 to board 3, 4, and 5. Rotate all minifix cam until tight and then apply cover. Connect board 2 to board 3, 4, and 5 using CSK-CAP wood screw. Attach board 10 and 11 to board 12 by rotating all minifix cam and then apply cover to cover up the holes. Assemble board 13 with board 11 using M4X 30mm screw. Assemble board 2 with board 10, 11 and 12 using M4X 38mm screw. Attach board 9 to the back of the body using nail. Hit PVC nail leg into bottom of board 10, 11, and 13. Install hinges onto board 7 and 8 using M3.5 screw. Attach all board 7 and 8 to cabinet using M3.5 screw. Tighten or loosen the middle screw to adjust left and right when needed. Tighten or loosen the screw at back to adjust front and back when needed. Attach board 16 to board 14 and 15 using M4X 38mm screw. Attach board 17 to the back of the drawer using nail. Install drawer slide to board 17 using M3.5 screw. Repeat steps 14 to 16 to build another drawer. Put all the drawer in place. Congratulations, you have assembled your display cabinet.